Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about a different topic other than law of attraction and manifestation. So we're going to talk about how to earn online using few websites which are there on internet and without any investment. So you don't always have to spend money to make money. If you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or if you are looking for some quick extra cash, there are websites that can help you do it. So these are the few options which we can check. I have calculated few of the website which will help you to earn online without any investment involved. So the number one option is upwork.com. Upwork.com is a website, is essentially a meeting site where businesses and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. Businesses hire freelancers for a variety of different services, including writing, web designing, running SEO campaigns, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. So, uh, Upwork takes a commission from 5% to 20%, but the more money you make, the less the commission is. So if you keep on working on Upwork and you have a good reputation on Upwork, then it will deduct less commission on the same. There are few drawbacks with Upwork, but that can be neglected once you start earning. And this website is really easy. Once you go to the website, you can check, you can sign up for your work, for your talent, whatever you do, and there are a lot of gigs that you can find, and you can do it. It is also trusted by Microsoft, Airbnb, GoDaddy, and all the it is just a freelancer website, so where you can find all the stuff. Whatever skill you have, you can get paid for that skill. The next in the list is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is the freelancer website where you can go easily and sign up for this website. This is also a popular website that can helpful for freelancers know something about digital animation. You can work for someone who doesn't have these skill and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. You can make good amount of money from this site, asserts Don Boiscio, a web designer and digital strategist in Albany, New York, who runs a two-person company called Bocan Design. He says that his firm make $3,000 to $5,000 a month from Fiverr. So yeah, to stay ahead of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig description are well written and communicate to the value of services I am offering. So yeah, a quick but carefully written reply will increase the odds of hiring you drastically. So yeah, this is said by one of the earner from Fiverr.com. Moving on to the third option we have in the list is Cardsell. So Cardsell is the website where you can. This is a popular website. This is also one of the popular website, and maybe some of the gift cards you got last Christmas, or maybe have sat around unused, and you think you will never use them. Well, tell Cardsell what you have. They'll make you an offer, and if you agree, you can exchange it for the cash. So the cards which are lying around and it is getting wasted in your house, you can sell them on Cardsell, and they will pay you the exact amount of the gift card. So there is no charge to mail your gift card to Cardsell, and process is pretty easy as you would expect. So this is a pretty convenient website to make more money online. Moving on to the next, there is a one website, Merch by Amazon. So yeah, this is a website from Amazon. How it is? So Frigo says you can simply, in this website, you can simply upload your design and get paid. Graphic designers can upload t-shirt design, and at that point it is pretty much entirely passive, and you are paid a royalty for every one of your design that sell. But you don't have to handle returns, do any customer service, or any shipping thing. So that is the best thing. It is totally up to your talent and skill, or your designing skill, where you can design something and Amazon will take the responsibility to sell it. So there are a lot of merchants which are already involved: Disney, Marvel, Dr. Seuss, Universal. They are selling their designs, and you can be the next designer for merch by Amazon. Now we have another one in the queue, which is Freelancer. Freelancer is also another website for freelancers. If you have skill in writing, journalism, programming, development, designing, marketing, etc., there are hundreds of options, then you are good to go. Create your account for free, search for the projects related to your skill and do the bidding. Complete the projects and get paid. This is how it simple is. The only thing that required is skill and how you market them. There are many rewards contests in which you can participate. Yeah, so that is the way you can earn on Freelancer, and it is a very good option where you can earn easily. Sign up as a freelancer and do the work, and they will always pay you in dollars, and you can convert them and get more money without any investment. It is just your skill and talent in any of the field. You can give lessons, you can teach people, you can do whatever you want, and whatever field you are good in. Next we have is WP Hired. It is also one of the good option. This platform focuses specifically on WordPress professionals. You can see there are a lot of jobs posted. All possible projects position related to WordPress are present here. Along with the best freelancing jobs, you can also find internship, long-term jobs, temporary jobs, etc., also related to different WordPress professions. So yeah, this is totally focused on WordPress. Those who have good rich knowledge in WordPress, they can log into this website and earn a lot of money from the same. Moving on to the next option, we have LinkedIn Pro Finder. So there is a service by LinkedIn itself where you can show your talent in any skill: graphic designing, marketing strategy, public relation, iOS development, accounting, financial analysis. So you can just show your talent, and you can set your profile and tell them that you are a provider. You will provide the services for these things, and you will get paid for the same. Even they can offer you a job, a permanent job on your talent basis. That is how it is. No degrees needed, only your talent will be showcased here. So there are top providers who are giving the services, and there are thousands of providers who are working on these things. So you can be one of them and earn a lot of money from the same. Moving on to our next option, that is MyPick. It is one of my favorite and best option. This is a website, mypick.com, mypick.co, where you can log in and upload your pictures and get paid for the same. Once you log in and upload your pictures and get paid for the same, they'll pay you per picture, and they'll pay you in dollars. And it is the best website where for a photographer who is using their skills, and it is an online earning platform that allows art lover, artists, photographers to print, buy and sell pictures. These include a different type of high quality pics and prints which will be used, like photo prints, canvas art, t-shirt printing, and even wallpaper to your pillows. With a lot of option, MyPick is one of the nicest site to make online money, and it is allow you to show your artist love. So yeah, you can get paid via PayPal on the same. And yes, you can earn a lot of money without even so many investment. It's just your skill. So these are the some useful websites which I showed you from where you can earn money without investment, and it is only your skill which is needed in the same. So try starting your luck and upgrading your skills, and with the same you can earn a lot of money. And I'll meet you in my next video where I'll tell you a lot about earning money and manifesting money on the same. Thank you guys.